Are you in search of your dream home? Finding your dream home should not be stressful. Introducing HouseSpot, your best and trusted real estate service. At HouseSpot, we make the process simple. Whether you are buying, selling, or renting, we have got you covered. Contact us today and experience the best deal for you. HouseSpot, where your dream home becomes reality.
Hello and welcome back. So as you saw in the intro, that is a video we'll be creating today. And in the course of this video, I am going to share where to get real estate prospects. So after you finish watching this video, you can just start messaging them immediately and start making some money. So make sure you watch all the videos so you don't miss out any important points. Let's start. Also, if you don't know about this software, then check my other videos where I walk you through this Vyond software and share some important tips and tricks so you can understand the software very well. So here is my audio that I've just dropped inside the software. And if you don't know how to write a good art script or to do a free voiceover, then check my other videos where I explain it very well how to do it. So when you have watched that and you have already created written your script and done your voiceover, then you go now to where the voiceover has been saved. You just drag and you drop inside the software, and that's it has been uploaded. Then now to bring it down here, you just tap on it and it will be added down here. So one quick tip, as you can see the voiceover is very low, so you just tap on it, you right click, and then you go to where it says setting, you tap on it, then it's going to open out this place and you can increase the voice just by inputting a figure here. So as you can see, after inputting that figure, you see down the voiceover sound has increased now. So like I said in the last video where I walked you through on this Vyond software, to have a finished video inside this Vyond software, you have to create multiple scenes, various scenes which are going to be combined to form the full video. And in doing that, it's always good to listen to the voiceover. What I always do is I listen to the voiceover, I get what the voiceover is saying, then I create the scene so that my scene is going to match what the voiceover is saying. So that's what we'll be doing. You listen to the voiceover and you create a scene. You listen to the voiceover and you create a scene until all the video is completed. You can just right click and you click on play.
Are you in search of your dream home?
So as you can get it, the first scene here is saying that are you in search of your dream home? So that is what we'll quickly create now. So just come to the search banner and we'll search. So as you can see now, I've just gone in and I've searched real estate and this scene has come up that is already made. This scene has already been done for us, so we just tap on it for it to be added now into the timeline. So once it has been added to the timeline, and you can see right away, you can see this sign here. You read what it says there: assets beyond scene N will not appear in the video. I mean, if you export this video now, there's a particular asset here or a prop which has taken a duration more than this fixed duration here. That is, so to fix this, all you have to do is you either extend it or you come in this drop down menu here, this drop down button, you tap on it. That's where you'll be editing all these props which are inside here. As you can see, these are them here. So there's a prop here that has gone more than the length that we wanted. So all you have to do now is just come inside here and you start reducing them. So after reducing the individual length of the props, you see now that when you reduce the scene duration now, you will no more have that sign there. Because I wanted to end where this voice ends here like this. That's why I wanted to end the first scene to end. So that's why I'm saying that you should watch all the video. See, this is an error here that we have just corrected. If you saw that without watching this video, you will not know what to do. So now I just want to change this character. So in changing the character, you just tap on the character, then you come to where it says character, and I want it to be a man. When you tap on it, you come to where it says replace, and you click now on the character that you want to change. So as you can see, the character has changed and it has taken immediately the action that the first character was having. And you can preview it again to see it.
Are you in search of your dream home? Finding your dream home.
Something online is in search of something of house online. So that is good. Another quick tip I just want to share now is from this character, you can easily customize the color of the character. You tap on the character, you come to where you have this color scheme here, you tap on it and you can change the head, the top, what he's wearing on top. You can change the bottom, you can change everything. You can add a logo. You come here where you see the face, you tap on it and you can easily change the color now from here. So that is our first scene. So in creating our second scene again, we are just going to go to the audio and we'll listen to what the second section is saying. Another tip that I want to share now with you is if you want to just come here and just start pressing it and right clicking and always pressing play, it's going to start from the beginning, which maybe when you are down here in this section, you are mostly to the end. You're going to start from the beginning and you wait for it to play until you come and read here for you get what it is saying. So to just avoid that, when you tap anywhere you want it to start, you right click, you go to where it says play from. It's going to play from where you just right clicked and you just listen to it and you continue from there.
Do not be stressful. Introducing HouseSpot, your best and trusted real estate service.
Then this should not be stressful now because I want all this to be as if somebody was searching on the internet. So this is online, something that somebody is doing online. So we just need somebody now who is in front of the computer and he's stressed out, and we'll add a blank scene. So I've searched now and I've seen this scene. You just drag and you drop it. Also, there's something I want to say is that you can start creating a scene totally from scratch. Like you add a scene, add a blank scene, you just go in, you start adding your props, you start adding them like that, and just start creating a scene from scratch. But this way is just a fast way of doing it. You just go, you search a scene that I've already created, you just come and you customize it a little bit and you just move along. So I've added a scene. As you can see, this is not our character because we want our story to be consistent. We cannot start from the beginning with a different character and in the middle you have a different character. So we'll just go in now first and then we'll change this character. Then what I have to do now, I have to customize, bring all the searches that it was doing in the first scene onto this computer screen and delete what is unnecessary here. So now I want to copy all of this, what is present here in this first scene to the second scene and put it on the computer screen, but I don't want to copy this character. So what I'll do is I'll right click and I'll click on lock. When you lock it, then you cannot be able to do anything there. Then I'll just copy now. So that's why I'm saying that you should watch the complete video. So you'll be getting all these tips and tricks, you'll be getting along as we move along. So as you can see again, I have this warning sign that is coming out here. It's because there are still some props here which are having time more than this actual scene. I'll just go there and I will remove all the animations because I don't need any animations here. So you see, once I removed it, the sign has just gone. So after arranging now like this, I can make this scene again more interesting by animating the camera. I shared all these tips and many more tips in the video where I walk you through how to use this software. So check that video out.
Do not be stressful. Introducing HouseSpot.
So one thing I want to say again is that as you are doing the video art for your client, customization is key. At any point in time, it is good to put the logo of your client in the video. Yes, so that's what I've just done here. I've just gone and customized this logo now. This is the logo of the client and I've put it there. Because in this scene, they are introducing the company which will solve the problem.
Introducing HouseSpot.
And now in this next scene is saying your best and trusted real estate service. When you get your account, you can go in and you can do this thing more than me. Because here I'm just doing now on the fly. Yes, you can go in and take your time and you can do this thing more than me. So I'm just going to swap one character here now to the character who is looking, to this character who is looking, searching for a house. Because like I said, consistency in characters here is also key. And as you tap, immediately you see that it has taken all the animations and everything. Okay, that looks good to me. So he's having a type of agreement here, like a deal is already done. Maybe they have looked for him, they have already looked a house for him, so he's happy. Just try to think, try to be creative when you are creating your animation. Just try to be creative.
Your best and trusted real estate service.
So this next scene is saying that at HouseSpot they make the process simple. So now in this previous scene, you know, he has already gotten the deal, he has gotten his house. Now in the next scene, I'll just look for a scene now where he's already in the house and they are handing him over the keys. So I think this scene is very good for that, for what they are saying there. You can see this, the kid is happy in the background. I show some sign of joy. Now I'll just edit the expression of this woman also to be happy. Like I said, I've done a complete walkthrough video of how you can be customizing everything, how you can be using the software. I can see the woman is also happy. I give a sign of joy that they're happy to be in the house. I'll just change now this character to what I've been using. As you can see, the real estate agent is giving the key and the man is happy. So let's play the scene and see.
At HouseSpot, we make the process simple.
So it says whether you are buying, selling or renting. So to create our next scene with the plus, add blank scene. I want to make this next scene very interesting, as there are some 3 things that he's saying here. Whether you are renting, buying, we've got you covered. So we'll just go here to scenes and we'll search for split screen. Okay, this one I think can be okay for it. Yes, it will be okay. So the first section says whether you are buying. So we'll just look for somebody that is planning of buying a house, something like that. This next one is talking of selling. So we'll put now the house here and right there for sale. So once we have already arranged it now like this, we'll just come now into the timeline. Open up the timeline and we'll arrange the timing. So the timing of the voiceover is right. First play it first.
Whether you are buying, selling, or renting, we have got you covered.
Alright, everything is okay. So after this video is done, I'll be showing you where to get clients immediately. So you start messaging them and start having some work to do. So you start making some money. So go now to the next scene. Alright, he's talking about the contact us. So that's a call to action. So as he's talking now of the contact us now, what you have to do there is just to put the phone number. So that's what I've just done. I've searched it here. And this is a scene that I've just selected. And this is a scene here. So you can see that with this software, it's very fast to create a video art or any type of art that you can customize. It's very fast. Without even reaching up to an hour, we have already created a video art that we can send to a client. Then also what we have to do here is to put the logo. So just come here, copy this their logo.
Contact us today and experience the best deal for you.
Okay, I think that's good. So you go now to the final scene and we'll listen to it.
HouseSpot, where your dream home becomes reality.
Okay, I think in that last scene, there's not much thing that we can even do. We can just come here and we'll copy this scene and take it there. Because you see these people are already happy, shows they already have their house. So we just copy it and we paste. From here now, everything is okay. All you have to do now is just download it. And to download, you leave it at MP4 and we take the higher resolution 1080p and we generate. So you can see it's generating now. So as it's generating, what I always do is after creating the video art like this, I put it again in another software to add a music and sound effects. There's another video that I've created for this, so you can watch it out. You can watch that video so you understand how I do it. I don't just always export it like this and then just send it to a client. No, sound effect and adding of music for it to be more lively. We'll be looking now at where to get prospects so you can start messaging them. And now when it is done, all you have to do now is just click on the download button. So to start getting prospects where you can start messaging them, we'll be using today the Facebook Ads library. I have also a video where I talk about many different ways that you can be getting prospects. So you make sure you check it out to see the other ways. But in this video, now we are going to be using the Facebook Ads library. And in doing this Facebook Ads library search, there are some things I want you to do. Just come here and you click on all because you want to see all the Facebook people who are running Facebook ads now. And you come here on the search bar and you type real estate agent, or just leave it at real estate. But even as you are typing real estate, if you just scroll down, you can see that Facebook is already providing you with some real estate people. So look at this one with 12,000 followers. Look at this one with 11,000 followers. You can just go in and just start messaging these people. Just take them as your prospect. You can just see them. I've never even done the search, but it's already providing us with people that you can just go and start messaging. Let's do the search and see what will come up. So you can see based on only this keyword real estate, we have 50,000 people, 50,000 with the quality of the video ads that we just did. Just go in and start messaging these people. And if you don't know what to say when messaging them, I also have a video where I talk on how you can craft your messaging so it converts highly. So you just go in and start messaging these people and proposing your service to them. That's it. You can see there are 50,000 people here. Don't be lazy, just go in and start messaging them. And also, if you are still watching, please, if you have not yet subscribed, please just like, comment and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, drop your comments down below. More good videos like this are coming, so stay tuned. So that's the video I wanted to share with you. Stay creative.